WD-40 is a versatile and handy tool that helps keep your vehicle running smoothly and looking great. You can use it to clean car locks, restore cloudy headlights, and solve many other common car problems. Here are some simple and amazing tricks and uses of WD-40 to help you keep your car well maintained. WD-40 effectively keeps your car door locks working smoothly and prevents sticking or jamming. Simply spray a little inside the locks to clean out dirt, lubricate moving parts, and protect them. It also pushes out moisture, helping prevent rust and freezing in cold or rainy weather. You can also spray a small amount into your ignition switch to clean and protect it. You can use WD-40 to quickly stop car door squeaks. Simply spray a small amount on the door latch. It lubricates the moving parts and gets rid of the annoying noise. WD-40 can easily remove stickers and residue from your car. It penetrates underneath the sticker, allowing it to peel off without tearing. This also removes any sticky residue left behind, leaving the surface clean. WD-40 can also clean bug splatter from your car's grille effectively. Simply spray onto a paper towel and gently wipe the area. WD-40 not only removes residue, but also restores shine and leaves a protective layer. This helps repel bugs in the future and makes those hard-to-clean spots sparkle again. WD-40 can remove stub and tar from car paint after driving on freshly paved roads. Simply spray WD-40 directly onto the tar spots and wait about 5 minutes. Gently wipe away the remaining spots with a clean microfiber cloth. For thicker buildup, a second application often works. Finish by rinsing your car with soap and water to remove any oily residue, leaving your paint looking flawless. You can also fix windshield wipers skipping or jerking across the glass with WD-40. To fix it, first clean the blades with soapy water and let them dry. Then spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a paper towel and wipe down the metal arms and the edges of the windshield. This reduces friction and removes sticky residue, allowing your wipers to glide smoothly across the glass. WD-40 can help clean cloudy or hazy car headlights and restore their clarity quickly. Simply spray a small amount of WD-40 onto the headlight. Then rub it in circular motions using a paper towel. This helps remove grime and oxidation, improving both the appearance of your headlights and your visibility on the road. By using these amazing tricks and uses of WD-40, you can keep your car in top condition and performing flawlessly.